Last week I went to the beach, and I had the great opportunity to ride on the beach with my one wheel. Oh, it was so much fun. I was just having a blast. People were like, whoa, what is that thing? Until I came to a spot on the beach and that I zigged where I should have zagged, and I fell right on my chest. And this gave me a contusion in my chest wall. Doctors said I didn't break anything, but I was going to have bruised ribs for a while. So I wanted to be able to go on this ride with my fellow one-wheelers, but my chest really wasn't up to it. So I decided to use my bike instead. And this bike is kind of cool. It actually has a hub motor on the front wheel. So I met up with these guys in Raleigh, North Carolina, and
Alright, check this out. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go counterclockwise, or actually clockwise, right? We're going to go clockwise around this little loop. So you're going to start, and then when you're going to go around here, you're going to go left on this trail. And we're going to go all the way around, come up, and then you can stop here at this red wall, meet up again, and then we'll do it again.
this museum has a lot of good riding trails, and so we like to ride around this areas because it's a great place to ride. So here's my bike with my iMotor 3 hub motor, and everybody's invited: scooters, unicycles, one wheels, segways, and e-skateboards. It's just a great place to ride. And the kids love it too. Part of the pack sort of split off, and some of the kids wanted to ride on the grass, and I did too. Such a peaceful place to ride. I was talking with a friend. He was telling me that he fell at Carolina Beach also, but on a path. This is our fearless leader, Josh, the supreme commander of Oak City OneWheel. Headed back, sort of met at this big red sculpture here, and we're getting together again as another group to ride. And we take off again. This time the group is heading to the Raleigh Brewing Company. And as I took off riding, I started to get a cramp in my hip area, and it just wasn't going to shake off, and so I had to stop and try to stretch it out. Note to self and to others, make sure you stretch before you do any kind of hard exercise, and make sure that you drink lots of water, because it all affects your body. It wasn't going to go away, so I just decided to film these guys going by, and then go ahead and drive to the brewing company, and I was able to capture them all coming in to the Raleigh Brewing Company. And there's a bunch of outlets there, so we were able to sort of charge up their boards. But it was a good time just talking with all the people there while the boards were charging up. One of the guys has a big property, and so Josh and the gang were trying to figure out maybe we could have an event here in Raleigh. So excited. So details coming soon. After about half an hour to 45 minutes, everybody stopped talking and was on their way to get ready to go again. And trying some tricks here. And once they were ready to go, they took off. But I think this group is not going back the same way back to the museum. They're heading off a different direction. While we were there, there was a couple that came on scooters and they wanted to try out the OneWheel. So we had a little chance to show them the OneWheel and how it works and do a little bit of training for people who are new. So we gave them lots of pointers and tips on how to ride the OneWheel. It looked like he was taking it pretty good. Everybody falls, but they get right back up on it. Teach them how to get off. You just have to hop off. And that's the best way to do it. Remember to like and subscribe. See ya!